Robotics is a robotics company based in Hong Kong. So Insight Robotics has developed a wildfire detection system, combining thermal imaging and artificial intelligence technology. So they'll explain what it is later on. So even though the terms might be a little complicated. So Insight Robotics system has already been used in 5 provinces and 7 cities across mainland China. And the company is also named by SCMP as one of the top 5 most promising startups in Hong Kong. So now they're setting up. So let's welcome Insight Robotics.
Okay, welcome everyone. I'm Sky Tan from Insight Robotics. I'm working as an R&D manager in this company. I am an alumni from Hong Kong University actually. I graduated 10 years ago in 2005, so I'm very glad to have a chance to speak today here. So let me introduce you our company's product called the Wildfire detection system here. Our company founded in 2009, and we have 4 offices around the globe, and we have 50 plus staff from 12 nationalities. We are the first company to introduce a single tree fire detection system in the world. So maybe not everyone knows these statistics. Every year, wildfire actually destroy over 1 million kilometers square of lands and killed more than 300,000 people worldwide. So this is a very serious problem encountered by every country in the globe, and every government wants to tackle this problem in a very efficient way before it becomes a disaster. And Hong Kong also facing this problem, and I think you will read the news every Qingming festival, we will have this problem in Hong Kong, in the new territory. So what our system do, we develop a system to able to detect a fire, which in the early stage is still a 2 meters square in a 5 kilometers away. We want to have an intuitive and easy way to let our clients to know it, and they can swiftly put it off before it becomes a disaster. So now I want to let you see one video.
Detection algorithms to identify a wildfire early on and prevent it from turning into a disaster. The Insight Robotics system is formed by a network of fully automated wildfire detection robots that communicate to a GIS-enabled control platform.
Let's enjoy.
The Insight Robotics wildfire detection system is the first in the world to detect a heat source as small as 2 square meters, the size of a single tree. It combines The Insight Robotics wildfire detection system is the first in the world to detect a heat source as small as 2 square meters, the size of a single tree. It combines state-of-the-art thermal imaging sensors with proprietary wildfire detection algorithms to identify a wildfire early on and prevent it from turning into a disaster. The Insight Robotics system is formed by a network of fully automated wildfire detection robots that communicate to a GIS-enabled control platform. Robots installed on the roof of a fire lookout station or on top of a metal pole provide 360-degree scanning 24/7 with no human assistance needed. Each high-precision pan-tilt robot carries a thermal imaging camera, a fog-penetrating visible light camera, and a high-speed computer vision processor. Robots acquire and process images from the cameras with our proprietary wildfire detection algorithm, then report the precise location of any suspicious heat sources to the control center. Installation is quick and easy. The unit consists of a camera pole and a solar and wind power pole built on top of a concrete foundation. The wildfire detection robot is self-powered and insulated from storm-related power grid failure. It also has 5 days of battery backup in the event of continuous cloud cover. Unlike smoke detection systems, our robots use advanced thermal imaging sensors that provide day and night vision in the forest. The system leads the industry in accuracy and detection alert times. At 5 kilometers, our robots can detect fires as small as 2 square meters, the size of a single tree. Our proprietary hotspot masking feature increases accuracy and prevents false alarms caused by heat sources other than emerging wildfires. Our robots communicate critical data to our cloud-based GIS software platform, InsightGlobe. InsightGlobe is a 3D map-based user interface that allows you to receive real-time image feeds and automatic fire alerts from every robot. It will also pinpoint the exact location of a fire using data from a single robot. The Insight Robotics Single Tree Wildfire Detection System, because when you can see the tree, you can save the forest.
So after the video, I hope you have some better understanding of how our system works, how we can detect fire, alert the clients, so they can go to the exact location where the fire happened and put it off quicker. So I'm going to go a bit deep into how our system works. So first, our system have the robot to identify fire. Once it detects a suspicious fire, it will go to the analysis state. So after, if it analyzes it as a fire, it will send an alert to our clients, which is usually a fire station. So the fireman can go to the location where the UI showed them. So our robot is able to detect a fire when it is still very small, 2 meters square, from a 5 kilometers away. And the effectiveness is 100% in our history, and it works 24/7 in all weather conditions. So you ask the questions, how can we use one robot to tell a location without triangulation? So now I'll go a bit deep if you are interested. Yeah, our robot have been using a thermal sensor to detect radiation from the fire spot. Actually, which is the energy emission from the wood fire. So once the thermal sensor detected the heat energy from the sensor, from the fire, and we use the angles from our cameras, the vertical and horizontal one, and we incorporate the geographical information, which is the digital elevation model, we can pinpoint out where exactly the fire happened. And we also use masking technology to reduce the false alarm, to reduce the nuisance to our clients. So all this technology I mentioned is patented by Robotics. And this is the user interface which our client use. So with the GPS location and altitude, they know where exactly the fire happened. And with this intuitive map, they know where exactly the fire, so they can go to put it off. And we are also telling them what exactly the robot looking at. So there is a visible camera and an IR camera. So this is the comparison between the available technology in the market now. So you can see our technology is the cheapest, and it is the most capable one to detect early fire. And I'm very excited to tell you all, we are hiring, And if you are interested, please go to our website and look at it. As I say, I am also graduated from Hong Kong U, so I'm very pleased to see new face from Hong Kong U as well. Thank you.
So, thank you very much for your presentation, Ms. Lau.
Sorry.